Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can copy any website HTML code. For this tutorial, I'm going to go to the Amazon.com and I'm going to copy the HTML code of this specific page of Amazon. Now what you have to do after the page has been fully loaded, you have to click Ctrl+S on your keyboard. If you have a Mac, I think you have to press Command+S button. After pressing Ctrl+S, your PC will show you a file explorer to ask you where you want to download the HTML code. Select the desired location and click on Save. Now I have successfully downloaded the HTML version of this Amazon page. If I click on this HTML code, the same exact Amazon page will open, but as you can see on the address bar, it's not written Amazon.com. Instead, it is showing me the path from where this page has been loaded, which is in my own computer. But the question is how you can see the HTML code of this page. What you have to do is open a notepad on your PC, click on File, and open a file and go to the location where you have downloaded the HTML code. If you don't see any file, then you have to click on this and all files. Now you can see your file here. You have to click on it and open it. And once it is opened, you can see all of the HTML code that have been used on this specific Amazon page, and you can use this code for your learning purpose, for anything else that you want. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.